If you want to cook a special meal to impress someone or even yourself, here is an easy and delicious chicken chop with onion sauce recipe that will make a beginner cook look like a master chef. One bite out of this delicious chicken with tangy onion sauce, your taste buds won't know what hit them. My name is Wally. Thank you for joining me and letting me show you how to cook the simple yet delicious chicken and onions recipe. Let's go. I've got 3 boneless chicken thighs weighing a total of about 400 grams. Now, to be honest, these chicken thighs are smaller than I'm used to. And there must be something wrong with my eyes these days because one of them is a lot smaller than the others. You want to get cuts of meat roughly the same size so they all cook around the same time. There's another reason why I've chosen the wrong chickens, but I'll get to that later. For now, I'll make do with what I've got. Now let's make these chickens super tasty and tender. First thing to do is to use paper towels to dry out the skin side as much as possible. There is a lot of flavor in that skin. And once it touches that hot pan, the fats in the skin will supercharge the taste of this dish. You can also dry the meat side, but not really necessary. You'll see why later. Now with the skin side down, you can feel that the chicken meat is uneven. So I'm going to use a knife to even out some of the meat. Just make a cut to sort of level out the surface. Now lay down a decent amount of salt and some ground black pepper. Again, no need to season the skin side. Now take out a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Make sure the ginger is fresh so you can get maximum juice out of it. Because ginger juice is a potent meat tenderizer. It's an ancient Chinese secret I'm sharing today, so don't tell anybody. And just squeeze all of the fresh ginger juice onto the chicken. Cut a 300-gram onion in half. Cut 1/2 into thin strips and set them aside. We're going to turn this pile of onions into a spectacular caramelized onion sauce. Cut the other half into chunks. We're going to cook these just to bring out its natural sweet flavors. Crush 4 or 5 garlic cloves. There is no need to mince it or chop it. Not a lot of work, but the flavor payoff is huge. Heat a pan on medium heat. When it smokes, add just a tablespoon of cooking oil. There's a lot of fat from chicken skin. The problem is I didn't realize that I chose chickens with not a lot of skin on it. Sorry, like I said, I'm just really off of my game today. Now lay the chicken on top of the hot pan skin side first. From this point, the chicken will stick to the pan, so don't even think about moving around. Let the pan work its magic, crisping up whatever chicken skin that's on it. Now in a minute, you should be able to check the skin side. The skin should be slightly crispy and browned. Let it cook for another minute. If it is browning too fast, lower the heat slightly. Now flip the chicken to cook the other side for a few minutes. You can even cover it with a lid. With the size and number of the chicken thighs I have, it took me about 2 minutes to 2.5 minutes to cook each side. If you're using larger or smaller chicken thighs, adjust the cooking time accordingly. As long as the juices run clear, you're good to go. Remove the chicken and set aside. Don't even think about washing your pan. is full of delicious chicken fat. We're going to use it to make a delicious onion sauce. Heat your pan on a low-medium heat. No need for extra cooking oil, of course. Add the thinly sliced onions and crushed garlic. Gently scrape the pan to pick out the flavorful bits of caramelized chicken. And in about 30 seconds, add a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Plus a tablespoon of sugar. The complex flavors of the wine and sweet sugar will make it easier to lift more of the flavors off of the pan. And a touch of dark soy sauce for color, about half a teaspoon. Next, a pinch of salt. For the flavor punch to the gut, just 2 teaspoons of Chinese black vinegar. If you don't have Chinese black vinegar, use white vinegar. It won't be the same, but having some acidic tang on the onions is better than nothing. And finally, half a cup of chicken stock. Stir to combine the flavors and cover with a lid for about a minute on low-medium heat. The liquids should evaporate, leaving a highly concentrated flavor bomb. These are ready. Now on a clean pan, set on a medium heat, and when it's hot, add a tablespoon of cooking oil. Drop in a larger cut slices of onions, and we're just going to cook these until it starts to turn clear. Should be about 2 to 3 minutes. No need to season this at all. We'll just let the natural flavors come through as a base. Layer these deliciously cooked onions into a bed for the chicken chops. And top it off with a glorious onion sauce. Now pat yourself on the back for completing this. You've made a quality chef meal at home. But remember, I do make deliveries. I take Bitcoins and Camels as payment. I will see you all in the next one.